I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to show you how to use templates in Gmail. First, you're going to want to ensure that templates are enabled. To do this, go to Settings, select See All Settings, go to Advanced, and then find Templates and make sure that Enable is selected. Once you ensure that templates have been enabled, go to Compose your email. If you want to use a pre-existing template, go to the three dots on your bottom right. Select Templates, and then find your template to use. Now that you've selected a template, you can go through and change the information as needed before sending it. To create a new template, compose your email. Leave the areas that will be modified with clear markers to add information later using symbols such as pound signs. If this template will include documents that each email using this template will need, simply find the document, copy the link, select the word, select the link down here, insert the link, and select OK. This link will now appear in every version of this template after you save it, which means you will no longer have to go and find the link and link each time. If you are linking to a Google Doc here, when you grab the template to use for an individual's email, ensure that you share it with the person you are emailing before sending the final email. You can also now copy and paste this word with the link, and the link will remain there, which eliminates the need for you to go back and find the link. Once your template is set up the way you would like, go back down to these three dots, scroll over Templates, select Save Draft as Template, then go to Save as New Template, and be sure to give it a name that will be easy for you to remember and find. And that is how you use templates on Gmail.